Hello everyone and welcome back. Have you ever walked into a museum and just felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information? I think we all know that feeling. Sometimes when you visit, especially a national gallery or a large national museum, you don't even know where to start. There's just so much to see. So today we're going to share some practical tips on how to make the best of your museum visit, whether you are a regular museum goer or you just rarely really visit museums and maybe haven't ever really been to a museum as such. So let's dive into this, and as always, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel and add your comments below.
First of all, plan ahead. So do a little bit of research on the museum website before you visit. Check out the opening hours, the ticket policies, what kind of special exhibitions or events might be on, what particularly are you interested in. There must be a reason why you have been drawn to this particular museum, and decide what you want to prioritize, especially for larger museums or galleries. Planning ahead saves time and it helps you focus on what you're most interested in. Another thing you can do is downloading the museum's app if they have one, or bringing, for example, headphones for audio guides. That's just a nice way of preparing so that you have everything you need available. Start with the highlights. Most museums offer a highlight map or guide and use it as your starting point. Don't feel pressured to see everything. Focus on a few key items or exhibits that really interest you the most. Museums are packed with treasures, but trying to see everything in one go can very quickly lead to fatigue. And it's a lot better to savor a few things than rush through everything. Remember, it's also nice to save something for next time you come visit. Engage with the stories. Look beyond the objects, read the labels, listen to audio guides, or watch videos provided by the museum. Whatever they have available, use it. And pay attention to how objects are connected to historical or personal stories. This can be a fantastic way of engaging with specific objects and specific storylines. Objects come alive when you connect them to the stories they tell, and you'll walk away with a deeper understanding and appreciation of them. Ask questions. Talk to museum guides. They are often a wealth of knowledge and information. They are also often really eager to share their knowledge and to answer any questions. And don't be afraid to ask questions like, what's the most surprising thing in this gallery? Or what's your favorite item here? Because they love sharing, and it's sometimes really interesting to hear what their perspective is, because remember, they see these galleries and exhibitions every day. So what actually do they focus on? That question can give you some really interesting perspective on the museum objects as well. Museum staff love sharing their expertise, and a simple question can open the doors to some really fascinating insights. Take breaks. Museums can be physically and mentally exhausting, so pace yourself. Use seating areas, cafes, or outdoor spaces to recharge. And if you're with kids especially, look for family-friendly areas or hands-on exhibitions so that they have some activities to do as well. A quick break can refresh your mind and help you better enjoy the rest of your visit. Take a bit of time to reflect before you leave. Just take a moment to reflect on your favorite exhibition or what surprised you the most. If the museum has a shop, consider picking up a postcard or a small item as a keepsake. Reflecting on your visit helps cement the experience and makes it more memorable. I hope some of these tips can help you make the most of your next museum visit. So if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more museum and storytelling tips.
What are some of your best tips for making the most of a museum visit? Please do share, and remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you next time.